Hi there, and welcome to this 3D Motive video course on an introduction to lighting and special effects in Unity 3.5. I'm Alan Thorne, and in this course I will be offering you a general overview to the features of lighting and the Beast Light Mapper, as well as of particle systems using the Shuriken Particle System Editor, which is new to Unity 3.5. We'll start by exploring some of the light types Unity offers us to create lighting for our scenes, and then we'll get into the details of light mapping to create realistic looking lighting, complete with global illumination. Then we'll move away from lighting and into the world of particle systems, a feature of video games that allows us to create effects such as fire, rain, fog, sparkles, fairy dust, smoke, and much more. These effects can be created through Unity's powerful Shuriken Particle Editor. So, with all these things to consider, let's get started.